Imagine you run an injection molding line, and your reject rate has been stuck above 6% for months. You have tried DOE, you have tweaked settings manually, but the interactions between melt temperature, hold pressure, and cooling time are just too complex to optimize by feel. Here's how AI changes the game. You feed 14 months of machine telemetry and inspection results into a gradient boosting model. The model learns which input combinations correlate with defects, relationships no control chart would ever surface. Then you run a Bayesian optimization loop that proposes new settings. You try them on the line, measure the result, and feed it back. Within 3 runs, your reject rate drops from 6.2 to 1.8%. Crucially, SHAP value analysis tells your engineers exactly why the new settings work, so the recommendation is trusted, documented, and audit-ready. That is AI-powered process optimization in practice.